Hello friends! In this video, we will show you the main features of the latest version of our Power BI connector for HubSpot. These features are at the code level and at the Power BI report level. My name is Javier Núñez. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me by email or WhatsApp. Now, one of our engineers will show you these features.
The modifications we have added are the following. The code has been commented to make it easier to understand. The same code works whether you install it on a server or using the serverless architecture with DigitalOcean functions. If installing on a server, the code starts here. If installing on DigitalOcean functions, the code starts here. The way to detect if DigitalOcean functions is being used is by checking the existence of args HTTP headers. The auth function goes in the same code. Now, by default, it is possible to bring the records for meetings, calls, tasks, and tickets. Now, it is possible to bring all properties with properties equals asterisk. Keep in mind that due to the limitations of DigitalOcean functions, this does not work if you have many properties, and in that case, you will have to bring a smaller number of properties. With the arrayChangeKeyCase function, we always change the authorization header to lowercase, so it does not matter if it begins with a capital A or a lowercase a. The way to bring the accompanied field for deals and contacts was optimized. The code works even for PHP 7.2 and greater. The following modifications have been made to the Power BI file. Creation of queries to bring all the properties of the deals, companies, contacts, and tickets. Creation of queries for meetings, calls, tasks, tickets. Creation of query for the tickets pipeline. Creation of queries to bring the status of HubSpot API consumption and to bring HubSpot account information. This does not require pagination, so the connection is made directly to HubSpot. The user query only combines the archived users table if it has records. That was done using try and otherwise. Queries for associations of deals with companies and with contact. That's it. You can now start using the latest version of our Power BI connector for HubSpot. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to our channel, activate the bell, leave us your comments, and share this video. See you in the next video.